What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we are learning how to play Candy Paint by Post Malone. Before we jump into the video, I have set up my Patreon page. If you check the link in the description below, there is a link to that. It's the pinned comment in the comment section below as well. Also in the description below, check that out when you get done with the video because there's a lot of really useful links there for you guys. I've left other guitar playing resources there. I've left my personal music there for you guys if you want to check that out. And I've left my personal email for there for you as well if you want to get in touch with me, if you need to ask me any questions one-on-one, that's there as well. Check that out when you get done with the video. Let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright, you guys, so this song is pretty simple. It's only 2 chords that are just played over and over and over again. Your first one's going to be A. What I do is I do my middle finger on my D string on the 2nd fret, ring finger on the G string on the 2nd fret, pinky finger on the B string on the 2nd fret, all 2nd fret. And then just play, you can play all your strings open on that. The next chord, take your middle finger, move it down 1 to the 2nd fret on your A string. Same way with your ring finger, move that down 1 to your 2nd fret on your D string, right where your middle finger just was, and then put your index finger on your 1st fret on your G string. So that middle finger on 2nd fret on A string, pinky finger or ring finger on 2nd fret on D string, index finger on 1st fret on G string, and you can play all those strings open as well. Like I said, those 2 chords just alternate over and over and over throughout the song. The strumming pattern that I use is this is what it sounds like. So that's down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up for both. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. It's a very, very simple song. If this video helped you, please consider liking. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. Check the comments below if there's any questions or concerns that you have or any songs that you want me to teach you. Just leave those there. Also, don't forget to check the description for my Patreon link. Also, those other useful resources are in there for you guys as well, and we will see you guys in the next video.